Replacing your car's rear wiper arm assembly is easier than most people think. With just a few basic tools and a few minutes of your time, you can restore clear visibility and keep your rear window wiping smoothly. To begin removing the rear wiper arm assembly, start by taking off the small plastic cap that protects the mounting nut. This cap is usually located at the base of the wiper arm and can often be lifted using just your fingers. Removing this cap exposes the nut that secures the wiper arm, allowing you to move on to the next step in the replacement process. Next, remove the mounting nut that holds the wiper arm in place. Use a socket wrench to loosen and take off the nut from the motor spindle. It should come off easily once you start turning it. Make sure to set the nut aside in a safe spot. You will need it to secure the new wiper arm during installation. To remove the old wiper arm, hold it firmly and wiggle it while pulling straight outward from the spindle. This helps loosen it from its seated position. If the arm is stuck, apply gentle upward pressure to ease it off, but be careful not to twist or force it, as this could damage the spindle. Once it loosens, the arm should slide off smoothly. To install the new wiper arm, simply slide it onto the spindle, making sure it's positioned the same way as the old one. Align it with the correct resting position on your rear window so it sits properly when not in use. Once it's seated correctly, you will be ready to secure it with the mounting nut in the next step. To secure the new wiper arm, place the mounting nut back onto the spindle and tighten it with your socket wrench until it feels snug. Be careful not to over-tighten it, as this can put stress on the wiper motor and cause damage. Once the nut is secure, simply snap the plastic cap back into place to cover it and finish the installation. Once everything is installed, turn on the rear wiper to make sure it's working correctly. Watch to see that the movement is smooth, the wiper returns to the proper resting position, and the blade makes full contact with the window. The wiper arm puller and windshield wiper arm removal tool are designed to easily remove bolted-on wiper arms that sit on a tapered spline. They fit many cars and light trucks and can also be used to remove tightly secured alternator bearings. Using the tool is simple. Position the base on the wiper arm, tighten the knurled cone to slide the claw under the clamp, and then turn the center screw to lift and remove the wiper arm. With the right tools and careful steps, replacing your rear wiper arm assembly is a quick and straightforward task, allowing you to enjoy a fully functional rear wiper that keeps your back window clean and makes your driving experience safer.